I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's game here with another reaction. Move! Today, guys, today I play catch up, dog. I play catch up. I want to say something, but they are with Prince Swanny and Major 7. Yeah, Liff up. Yes, official music video. Prince Swanny and Major 7. Make up yourself, Major 7. Make up yourself, Prince Swanny. Let me say something to you, dog. First of all, follow me on Twitch. Send me Twitcher. One more. Send me Twitcher. Follow me on Twitch, guys. Send me Twitcher. Link is gonna be in the comment section. Follow me on Twitch, all right? Yeah, we do some different content. We do some different streaming. So follow me on Twitch, please. Anyway, let me say what I said now, please. The people them will give me the other the song them. Or not give me the other the song them properly now, please. Will not stress me out, dog. Will not stress me out. First, in the say react to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Red Dot. Then in the say react to Meds Boss Asylum Boy. Then in say react to Asylum Boss Asylum Meds Boss Just Do It. Then in the say react to Prince One and Liff Up. Give me the other them brother. Cause me I get the thing them mix up, dog. But at the moment, let me play catch up. I'm gonna drop everything anyway. Let's jump in on one and see what going. Prince One, Liff Up. Let's go. Disclaimer. You know, promote gang violence. Basically, I'm gonna say anything we use in our video are props. Like that. Alright, watch you. So in a Meds Boss song, him say, them never kill nobody yet, and them run gun and fire and go and seek asylum. So asylum boy derived from Liff Up. Okay, alright. See it? When I give me the thing them mix up, dog. When I give me the thing them, I have to write them up myself, bro.
Yeah, man. Yo, Bernie. Liff up every tool, you know. Time to take some pussy way back to school, yeah, man. Yo, Trini. There's no stay. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 everywhere. Dogs in my bleacher be. Kilos outside every Jeep ready. Big 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 the pan really.
Man said the killers them outside every Jeep ready. Man, them ready for go lift up, brother. Lift up and do what? And then the public are gonna see it and say,
Why you do it, John Crow?
that me a talk about. Again. Not again, no. Again. Alright. Prince One, Liff Up. Major 7s, big up. So far, all I sang on the same rhythm. Alright.
Yo, Bernie. Liff up every tool, you know. Time to take some pussy way back to school, yeah, man. Yo, Trini. There's no stay. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 everywhere. Dogs in my bleacher be. Kilos outside
every Jeep ready.
Big 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 the pan really. If I party, me keep the 38 hammer. Last time we check them where them are. Months out in the broad summer. Microphones every day. Yo, dog, we no play games, no time. Ask Billy body 4-5. Gunshot we beat when it's more life.
Oh, ask Billy about the 4-5 gunshot maybe. In the next song, in a Meds Boss song, he mentioned Billy. See it? Tell me, now mix me up, dog. Now mix me up, brother.
Ask Billy body 4-5. Gunshot we beat when it's more life. No send ups in the hospital, dog. This program run them body a mag.
Man say, yo, when we shoot ups and the hospital we send them, the doctor can't fix them back. Big hole in the chest, big hole in the face. Mark them go. Close casket. Cemetery.
No send ups in the hospital, dog. This program run them body a mag. Drink rum for the spirits to dance. That everybody know we skill and we calm. Ask busy about it, cabbage about food. That we swing pounds like we's a monkey. All in the jail house, we love the tonky. Cause look up for your double way music pumpy. Money make moves, no we not new. Everything design and no costume. Fuck a them love talk, but them a run up and move. I'm a dogs, them evil, enough for them a push brooms. Watch I know, lift up with guns, lift up with guns, lift up so we living it, dog, so we living it. 4 5 with the spinach, the 15 in the jam, the Drake ring the alarm, so we drilling jump.
Pussy class. Lyrics. Lyrics. Listen lyrics again. All right.
March out, kill him and laugh, so we kill him and brava, so we living it, dog, so we living it. 4 5 with the spinach, the 15 in the jam, the Drake ring the alarm, so we drilling jump out on them block broad day, we love spinning it. Killers like Jimmy and Billy make blood spilling quick, very quick. In the hills we are bury them. Head bust on me not afraid again. Busy boat it, cabbage boat food. That we sing pose like we is a monkey. All in the jail, we love the tonky. Cause look up for your double way music pumpy. Money make moves, no we not new. Everything design and no costume. Fuck a them love talk, but them a run up and move. I'm a dogs and me evil, not for them a push boom. Every day.
Before the guns.
We no play games, no time. Ask me the body 4 5 gunshot, we beat when it's more life. The send ups in the hospital, dog is program, run the body and
Mag.
Drink rum for the spirits to dance, and everybody know we skill and we calm.
Pussy clot. When you see it, dog, on mix me up, brother. I now get the full context of each song so I can say up, I can break down. We want to break down and so I'm say, because when I confuse my brain. Please, me beg you, no. Give me the song them. What you need to give me, dog. Please, don't give me the song them. Don't give me the song them. Give me the song them. Give me the song them. Prince Swanny, big up yourself. Major 7, big up yourself. Yes. Trinidad War at 10 on the dog. Bumbo clot. What you say? Eh? Please, me beg you, no, please. Listen up, please. Remember me beg you, no, follow me on Twitch. Me go pin that one in the comment section. That's the link. Click on the link and go over there, go drop off for that for me, please. You hear that? Yeah, man. Me go see what I go on the next song now. Me go jump in the one, me go left that one and go up on the next one, alright? Catch you in the next one. Peace.
A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot, you know.